Hello, this is part 3, well actually part 4. I split the multiplying fractions into two different parts. Fraction division and side fraction division all in one thing. So first it says, this first example is review of division. It says divide, write your answer as an answer in simplest form. So when I go to divide this, I can't actually divide fractions. It doesn't work. What we end up doing is what's called keep, change, flip. So I'm going to rewrite this. 9 over 14 is what I keep. I'm going to change to multiplication. I'm going to flip the 15 and the 2. Now I want to try and cross reduce. Always cross reduce whenever you can. It's a great tool. So I can cross reduce 2 and 14. That's the easy one. That's 1 and 7. Now the tougher one is 9 and 15. I've got to think of a common factor for 9 and 15, and that's going to be 3. So if I divide 9 by 3, I get 3. If I divide 15 by 3, I get 5. And now I can multiply straight across. If I do, I'm going to multiply into my cross reduce, so I'm going to go down here a little bit. And that's going to give me 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 7 times 5 is 35. And this is just my answer because 3 over 35 cannot reduce. So remember, for fractions, we need to keep, change, flip. So we're actually going to multiply, change to multiply, and we're going to flip our fraction. Let's look at example 2. Write your answer as a fraction or mixed number in simplest form. 7/5 divided by 18 over 35. Oh no, negative 18 over 35. There's those pesky negatives. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to keep, we're going to change, and we're going to flip. So this is going to be 15 over 7 times, I'm going to flip this, times 35 over 18, negative 35, doesn't change, times negative 35 over 18. Now I want to try and cross reduce because I can. First is easy, 7 and 35. Well, that makes, let's go green. That makes 7 goes into 35 5 times and goes into 7 once. The next thing I want to do is look at 15 and 18. Those both have 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So now I can multiply straight across. 5 times 5 is 25. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 negative sign. So my answer is going to be negative 25 over 6. I cannot reduce 25 over 6 anymore. That's just my answer. Let's look at one more together. I've got 15 over 8 equals negative 3 over 14. So here I'm going to keep, change, flip again. So I'm going to write 15 over 8. That's my keep. I'm going to change multiplication. I'm going to flip my sign. Flip my fraction, so 14 over 3, and it's still going to be negative. Here I'm going to cross reduce again because I can. I've got 15 and 3, so if I divide both of them by 3, that gives me 1 and 5. Now 8 and 14 is going to be tough because 8 and 14 are even, so I can divide them by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, 14 divided by 2 is 7, and now I multiply straight across. 5 times 7 equals 35. 4 times 1 is 4, and I have 1 negative, negative 35 over 4. I cannot reduce this anymore. That's just my answer. Go ahead and complete any non-finished examples. Have fun.